I love how we're having these micros and the car is just steaming up as we're sat here. We're back again on another road trip adventure. We're actually joining this road trip like on the 3rd day because one, we're not busy, and 2, it's the closest bit to us because otherwise we'd have to travel way down south. And
who's got the petrol money for that, right?
Exactly, I don't. I really don't have the petrol money for that. Stupid petrol. So yeah, so we're gonna go meet the guys at a creamery. Was it? A creamery. I really don't like that word.
It's not the best, but Wensleydale Creamery makes cheese, as in Wensleydale cheese.
Yeah,
in Wensleydale.
It's not anything else.
Okay, moving on.
But yeah, anyways, time for a cold start.
One thing he won't maybe tell you is did he tell you? I can't remember. This is the first time he's going like back out with, or we are going back out with the sort of other RX-8s since obviously he's been back. So they've never heard the Bridgeport before, so that's like super exciting. And I'm excited. He's clean.
I didn't have a microfiber, so this will have to do.
She's steamy.
Which is funny because she wasn't the first time we got in. Can you just wipe your wing mirror? Because this literally looks like we've been doing naughty things in here. No, thank you.
I'll do the Titanic one. You know, well, you wouldn't know that. But the Titanic one where they put the handprint on the thing and then they wipe it off.
But first, we have the most important stop of the day to make, and I think Chloe's going to agree that this is the most important stop of the day to make. Starbies. I just realised while we got the microphones on, they're not even plugged into the phone.
What was the point in that? What was the point in that?
Oh,
it's too early. It's too early on a Sunday.
It's too early. It's the first time that we've actually used these mics as well, so a little bit of leeway. But Chloe's doing her makeup while we're driving. Pretty impressive, considering the ride's pretty rough, especially on these roads.
The only thing I can't do is eyeliner when we're moving, because mascara as well, because I will put myself in the eye.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but yeah. So first stop first, Starbucks for the passenger princess, so that she won't be angry all day. And then we got to go get fuel because we drink a lot of fuel.
Yeah,
it's not good.
Yummy.
It was really not good. But yeah, we're gonna get fuel and then straight to the creamery, and we should be getting there about an hour before they leave. So we've got plenty of time.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
That's not great. We got an engine light on again. Yeah.
I mean, at this point, I genuinely think it just like thinks it's a decoration.
Oh dearie me.
It's, yeah.
So, I don't have a code reader. Well, actually, I do have a code reader, but it doesn't work on iPhone. And we both got iPhones. So hopefully someone that we're meeting's got one, but I have a feeling I know which code it is. So, we actually had an engine light on the past couple of days that's been coming on and off. And it's always been the solenoid for the secondary SSV, whatever it's called. I can't remember the name of it. I thought we fixed it. We've changed out the solenoids, we've cleaned the wiring, depinned everything, and I thought it was fixed.
Maybe not.
It's not, and I really don't know what else we can do. Yeah. I know the only thing that we can do. We keep driving.
Yeah.
Yeah! It's a bit misty.
It is a bit misty.
Scooby-Doo episode where they cut the fog with the knife and eat it.
Oh, I think I remember that one.
Blind! So we are getting close to our destination now, and it is worth noting that the car is not its maximum potential here. Obviously we know that there is a problem with the SSV solenoid and that does get fixed in the future. However, the car is still in its braking period of the Bridgeported engine. We've done about 1,200 miles at this point. and we are limited to about 6,000 revs, I think it was at this point. So please sit back and enjoy, because we have just found the other people in the group, found the other cars, and it's time to set off on this little rally.
Hello. We can see ourselves.
Oh my god, hello!
Yeah. The sheepdog's still doing his thing. Yeah.
He's like, go on, get. Well, one thing, we're not making the stop on time, that's for sure.
Definitely not.
I don't think we've got all the cars here though, have we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 2 cars missing, isn't there?
I don't know.
I think there was 10 cars.
I I'm not sure.
Because Chris's BMW i8's here, isn't it? I don't know. I didn't see it.
I don't know.
But I'm sure he said Chris, and there's only one Chris that I know. I don't know.
I don't know, but...
The sheep are gone!
The sheep are gone. Let's go.
Let's go! It's a me, a Bridgeport. I can fucking herd sheep with it.
You literally could.
Imagine if we had like a farmer that we knew that would let us do that.
Sheep!
My brakes were starting to warm up on that mountain pass.
Yeah. Not squeaky.
Fucking hell, that is a thin bridge, that, innit? Stopping here?
No, is this where we were supposed to stop?
I think so, yeah. I think this was like one of those, oh, if it's not busy, we'll stop sort of things.
Yeah. I love that people take photos of the cars, it's so funny.
Yeah, I love it. Hey, Bob. Nearly.
Let's draw more flames. It's not real, officer, I promise. Do one on the other side. You gotta match it.
That one's a bit bigger.
Massive flames coming out the back of this car.
Wait, allegedly ALLEGE. Screw it, it'll be fine.
No, you got it right.
Okay, good.
Oh, price officer.
It's the Polish. Hello.
Pit stop for a waterfall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We actually got parked. I was surprised.
I know, very surprising.
Nearby parking for the win.
Woo!
See a little waterfall there. Camera woman is doing camera woman-y stuff. No.
Uh-oh. Whee!
Yeah, we did scrape. Woo!
Woo!
Yes, get in there.
We are at the ice creamery. Look at this cow. Moo.
So we got to the ice cream shop and there's loads of things here, like the air ambulance teams here that film live on TV.
Yeah,
live on TV.
helicopters and everything.
Yeah, and they're literally in the car because the helicopter's broke, so they've just been showing us around the van and that's really, really cool. But we decided to come inside and see the calving area. I don't know if there's any calves or not, but... Hello, cows.
Hello.
Oh, that big slaver.
Hello.
I love this, how cars just bring loads of different people together. Just in like a random location, random time of the day. It's brilliant. Oh my god, my hair's a mess from having my hat on. Look at that.
You didn't put any of your gel.
It's my stylist.
Yeah, it's I can't help you. Tink.
Hair's still a mess. These look so good. Oh, that sounds wicked. Fantastic.
It was a first experiment by BMW on electric cars, really.
Oh, was
to get
it?
people
I didn't
used
know
to
that,
it,
yeah.
you know. And they made the little box thing with the suicide doors as the fully electric, and this one is a hybrid, yeah.
Oh, that's wicked, that.
Yeah.
Honestly, it's really nice. I tell you what, the seats are comfy.
It's really, I mean, I'm a big bloke, and I can get in and out, right?
Yeah. Spinning out.
I love it so. Look at that face. That's a molly face, that.
That's brilliant.
So cute.
Chicken. Caught red-handed. We're literally the only ones left at the ice cream shop because we took a bit longer because we were heading off here anyways, so there's no point in us rushing.
They have goats. They have goats and chickens.
Yeah, they have
I
goats and
stroked the goat. I tickled his head.
But Shrek was missing, so...
Yeah, the donkey Shrek was
Donkey!
gone. Donkey.
But yeah, everybody else has left and we're going to head home now, so...
Yeah, I think so.
It's been a fun adventure, hasn't it?
Definitely have.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely want to do something like this again because it's really fun. And I think this was the first one back in the car, wasn't it?
Yeah, first one back in this car.
I've missed it because my car can't keep up.
Mine can barely keep up with a fucking engine light on.
Well, true. But mine has like, what? How many horsepower does mine have? 64?
64. And this
It's
has
not
like
even
200
tuned.
and a
Yeah,
bit.
so like the hills as well are just a struggle in my car. So it's nice to actually, you know, be able to get up the hills.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. So we're probably going to head back, probably the same way actually. We're probably not going to record anything on the way back though, but we might. It all depends.
Maybe like a few.
We'll see what comes up.
visuals.
But yeah,
Yeah,
it's been a fun day.
it definitely has.
See you all in the next video.